4 examples, and to solve each one of these quadratic equations, we're going to rely on our factoring skills. 4 times 2 is 8. What two values multiply to give us 8 and combine to give us negative 9? Negative 8 and negative 1. Multiply and combine. So I'm going to drop in the A and the C. Now don't forget about the C. And in the middle, I'm going to take the combination I just chose with an X behind each. Okay, I can divide out of 4x, and 4 times 1 is 4. I need one more x. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8, and I have an x. What value times 1x is a negative 1x? We have negative 1. And we can see negative 1 times negative 2 is positive 2. They both contain a 1x minus 2. In front of the first part is a 4x, and in front of the back is a minus 1. What's the quick way of solving? Opposite sign divided by what's in front of the x. Opposite sign divided by what's in front of the x. Let's look right now at the next example. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. And we're asked, are there two values that multiply to equal negative 10 and combine to give us negative 9? We have negative 10 and positive 1. Okay, drop in the negative 10x and drop in a positive 1x. Out of these first two terms, what's the most that I can factor out? A 2x. 2 times 1 is 2. Attach an x to get an x squared. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10, and we have an x to have negative 10x. What value times 1x is a positive 1x? And 1 times negative 5 is negative 5. They both contain a 1x minus 5. In front of the first part is a 2x, and the back part is a positive 1. Okay, so I'm going to take each of these factors and then use the shortcut. So what's in back of the x, we do the opposite sign, and we're going to divide it by the number in front of the x. What's in back of the x, we do the opposite sign, and divide it by what's in front of the x. Let's do one more. When multiply is equal to negative 12, and combines to give us positive 1. Different signs, and the larger number is going to be positive. It's going to be 4 and 3. Multiply and combine. Dropping in a positive 4x and negative 3x. Out of these two, what can we factor out? The most I can factor out is a 2x. 2 times 3 is 6, but I need one more x to get an x squared. 2 times 2 is 4, and there's an x. What value times 3x is negative 3x, negative 1. And negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. They both contain a 3x plus 2. In front of the first part is a 2x, and from the back part is a negative 1. Again, in front is a 2x, and in front is a negative 1. The shortcut here is what's in back of the x is opposite sign divided by 3. What's in back of the x, opposite sign, and in front of the x divided by 2.